Hello, my name is Anna, and I want to tell you about my family. I live with my mother, my father, and my little brother. We also have a dog. His name is Max. My family lives in a white house on Park Street. Our house is not very big, but it is comfortable. It has 6 rooms, 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 living room, and 1 bathroom. We also have a small garden behind the house. Let me tell you about each person in my family. My mother's name is Sarah. She is 35 years old. My mother has long brown hair and green eyes. She is very kind and always smiles. My mother works in a hospital. She is a nurse and helps sick people feel better. In the morning, my mother makes breakfast for our family. She makes very good pancakes. My mother likes to read books in her free time. She reads in the living room every evening. Her favorite books are about cooking and gardening. My father's name is David. He is 37 years old. My father is tall with short black hair. He wears glasses because he needs them to see. My father works in an office. He uses a computer all day. My father likes to cook dinner for us. He is very good at making pasta and pizza. On weekends, my father works in our garden. He grows tomatoes, carrots, and flowers. The garden is his favorite place in our house. My little brother's name is Jake. He is only 6 years old. Jake has blonde hair like me and blue eyes. He is very funny and makes me laugh every day. Jake goes to elementary school, but he is in first grade. Jake loves to play with toys. His bedroom is full of toy cars, building blocks, and stuffed animals. His favorite toy is a red fire truck. He plays with it every day. Jake also likes to draw pictures. He draws our family and our dog Max. Our dog Max is 3 years old. He is a golden retriever with soft yellow fur. Max is very friendly and loves everyone. He sleeps in the living room on a big blue cushion. Max likes to play in the garden with Jake. They run together and play with a ball. Max also likes to go for walks. Every evening, my father takes Max for a walk around our neighborhood. Now let me tell you about our house. When you come into our house, first you see the living room. It is a big room with a comfortable sofa, 2 chairs, and a television. There are family photos on the walls. My favorite photo shows our whole family at the beach last summer. The kitchen is next to the living room. It has a big table where we eat our meals together. The kitchen has white cabinets and a blue refrigerator. There is always fresh fruit on the kitchen table. My mother keeps apples, bananas, and oranges in a wooden bowl. My parents' bedroom is upstairs. It has a big bed and a closet for their clothes. There is also a small desk where my father sometimes works on his computer. My bedroom is also upstairs, next to my parents' room. I have a pink bed and a white desk for homework. I keep my books on a shelf above my desk. I have many books because I love to read, just like my mother. Jake's bedroom is small but cozy. His bed has a blue cover with pictures of cars. His toy box is always full because he has so many toys. Sometimes I help him clean his room. Our bathroom is between my room and Jake's room. It has a bathtub where Jake likes to play with his rubber duck. In the evenings, my family likes to spend time together. After dinner, we sit in the living room. Sometimes we watch television together. Sometimes we play board games. Jake's favorite game is checkers, but he is still learning the rules. On weekends, we often have picnics in our garden. My mother makes sandwiches and my father brings juice. Jake plays with Max while my parents and I talk. These are my favorite times with my family. I love my family very much. My mother takes care of everyone. My father works hard and cooks delicious food. My little brother makes me smile, and Max is the best dog in the world. Every night before bed, we say goodnight to each other. Jake always says, "I love you, Anna." And I say, "I love you too, Jake." My family is not perfect, but we are happy together. We help each other, and we laugh together. I think I have the best family in the world.